Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a speed cleaning video today. I just got out of a 10-hour shift, and this is my husband's side of the bed. Here's my Marley dog, and I just worked 10 hours, and I'm going to come home and I'm going to get the room all ready to be slept in and relaxing. So it's cleaning time. I hope you enjoy these kinds of videos because I'll probably be doing a lot of them because slobs. Okay. Okay, so this is the current state. That's totally, it's a disaster. It's, if you've ever like been on a farm or like know anything about farm animals, it's definitely blue coat. Our dog had like a scrape on her side, and it does not come off. Anyway, so I have a stain on my wall, but got my husband's side done all the way through there. There's a garbage bag I got my area somewhat clean minus this bottom shelf, and this area is what I'm going to be working on next. And then we'll be tackling the bed, which right under there, Marley do. There's a Marley dog. I have to change the bedding. I do also have to go through my purse, take out the trash. This is all dirty clothes. I have to put the shoes away and vacuum. There's another dog. I have some water bottles. And I also have to clean my thing, but that is what's happening right at this minute. So I don't have a spot really to put the camera so that y'all can see it, but I am going to be cleaning this up, basically just putting it in the hamper that's out there and starting a load of wash. Okay, so here's what we got going on. These are my husband's like everyday shoes and my house slippers, and there's the monster awake with his harness on. He's gonna eat his food because I just fed him. So I got the clothes picked up. I have a load of wash started. I have 2 bags of trash, which I am super ashamed of. This one was hiding under there. You've probably already seen that. This is the one that I started just now. Now I need to tackle laundry, which I did put my husband's machine away over there. He hasn't been using it, and he said it's been giving him a headache, so it needs to be calibrated or something. So now I'm gonna start on this giant mess of a bed. Marley, don't itch. So, yeah. These are my husband's work uniforms. I found some important papers. I kind of straightened this around a little bit. This is my like book collection. I need to get a couple more of them to do all the way around the bottom, but yeah. And then this is something which he's got it in there, kind of weird, but we have a Molly. We have a snack box in our room, and it's kind of just, I mean, we live in a house with a lot of people, so this is like mine and my husband's area. So we keep snacks in here. Ouch, there's another stack of stuff I have to take care of. Pretty much how I clean is if there's things that don't belong, I just throw it on my bed and I deal with my bed last. So yeah, that's what we got going on right now. I'm going to start tackling the bed, putting clothes away, going through the papers, filing them where there's actually supposed to be, changing the sheets. Alright, I'll be back when that is done. Okay, so now this is what we got going on. The striped blanket. These are kind of like my sheets that I use when my other sheets are dirty. Because they're white and I don't really like my dog to lay on them. And he likes to lick himself, which is disgusting, but he gets drool all over the bed and it's gross. So I don't like to use these. But I did not change my husband's pillowcases because I did them like 3 days ago. And he's really particular about his pillowcases and I'm not going to have time to wash them before he gets home from work. I just changed that pillowcase yesterday, so I changed that pillowcase. Changed all the bedding. There's my pile of bedding that I have to wash, which is ridiculous. I need a nice king-size comforter to go on that, which that's the only king-size comforter I have at the moment. So, this is what I got going on. Man, I never realized how bad I needed a paint job in this room, but like, oh my goodness. Alright. Sometimes you just gotta work with what you're given. The crocheted blanket that I put down first on here to protect my mattress, it's totally ripped all along there, so, I don't know. Hot mess. Exactly. Hot Mess Housewife. It's definitely for sure. Alright, I'm gonna take that out and deal with that, and then I'm gonna see, I like move piles, which is terrible, but I'm gonna take care of that stuff, and then I'm gonna go through my purse. I'm gonna get some new blankets up here, I guess. Alright, see you guys when everything's done.